That's my field back there. So it was conventionally farmed until we took it over, and we've been letting it rest for the year. Let's go explore. So we've been letting this grow for the most part. We've done some mowing, but at this point some interesting plants have shown up. So we've been letting them grow to see what we get. Ooh, what is this? Does anyone know what this is? I think it's like a honeydew melon or something, or I don't know, it's too smooth to be a pumpkin. Maybe it is I've got my research cut out for me, but this is so exciting. Random plants! Check this out. What the heck is growing? I'm hoping it's a white pumpkin. I mean, this thing's covered in squash bugs, so it probably is. Here's open. So random. And then we've got a bunch of these wild ground cherries. Why are they called ground cherries? Because they're not ripe until they fall down on the ground. I wanted to show you what they're like, but they're all empty so far, so that's still a work in progress to actually get to taste these. And we have a sea of oxalis. Have you ever tried this stuff? It's amazing. It's delicious. Tastes like lemons. Good stuff. All of this lemony goodness. It looks like clovers. Love this stuff. So that's what's growing wild in my field. How's your garden going?